What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up the latest Hot Wheels 8-car Star Wars series from Walmart. The first car in the set is based on the Star Wars character Han Solo, which is a blue Hot Wheels to induction with red wheels. Car number 2 in the Star Wars set is a metallic brown Hot Wheels Fandango featuring the famous Wookiee Chewbacca. Our next Hot Wheels is the sky blue colored car Bully Goat with golden wheels based on the iconic Jedi Luke Skywalker. The fourth Hot Wheels in the series is a bright orange car for the green Jedi Yoda, and it's called Barbarous.
You fought in the Clone Wars? Yes. I was one.
Here's a white Hot Wheels for the princess dressed in white. This is Princess Leia's car with blue wheels called Quick and Sick. Number 6 in the set is Darth Vader with a red Hot Wheels Nitro Door Slammer, which is the perfect match for his red lightsaber. The next Hot Wheels car is a cool green Deora 2 with orange wheels featuring the big space slug Jabba the Hutt. And number 8 in the Star Wars set is a very neat Hot Wheels car called Mad Manga based on the bounty hunter Boba Fett. There we have all of the cars in the latest Hot Wheels Star Wars series. If you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.